Audience retention is an extremely important analytic when it comes to YouTube channel growth. So if you want to increase your audience retention on your Minecraft videos, stay tuned because I'm going to give you 5 tips on how to increase your audience retention and help your viewers want to watch your videos for a longer amount of time. Let's talk about intros. As you saw, my intro was short, sweet, to the point, just a quick little ugh. But intros are not always a good thing. They don't work for everybody. Some of the larger channels can get away with it because they've been doing this for years. They've already got a huge following, and people love them for who they are or what they do. People don't yet know who you are. So if you're just starting out, don't put a long intro in your videos. Instead, try doing a quick little spoiler to let people know what to expect in this video. If you're doing gameplay, for example, let them know what you're going to be doing in this video. For example, let them know if you're going to be building an iron farm, say, hey, we're going to be building an iron farm in this video. Hopefully we can get it finished. If you're doing tutorials, make sure you show them the build and what it does before you show them how to build the thing. But make sure whatever you tell the viewers that you're about to do, you actually deliver in this video. Do not make it clickbaity. Things like that will let the viewer know what's going on, what to expect, and it will let them know if they actually want to sit and watch the video or not. Pattern interrupts are a great way to keep your audience watching longer because there's um hi. You see, that was a pattern interrupt, and you more than likely were starting to look away from the video, but then when you heard me start muting out and not knowing what's going on, you kind of probably looked back towards the screen, right? Well, yeah, there was a thing going on there. Pattern interrupts come in all kinds of shapes, forms, and sizes. Take a look at some of the movies that you've seen in the past. Look at Deadpool, The Simpsons, things like that. Fourth wall breaks are also considered pattern interrupts. So no matter which way you decide to go about it, come up with something. Do something different and interesting. Make your content unique. Next up, be entertaining. If you're just sitting there, just we're over here, we're going to mine this. That's cool. Okay, now we got that block. Let's go see if we can find this other block. Nobody cares about that kind of thing. They want to see you excited. They want to see how much you enjoy the game. Show people how much you enjoy the game. Otherwise, be comical. Do something to entertain your viewers. Keep your viewers watching longer by doing things that nobody expects you to do. Editing can make a world of difference no matter what type of content you do. We're doing Minecraft content here, so that's what we're going to go with. One thing I can tell you, it does not matter if you have the most expensive or the cheapest or even a free version of whatever kind of editing software or app that you use. Just make sure that whatever you're using works well on your device and it's easy for you to use. Keep your videos fast-paced and easy to follow. Boom, boom, boom. While we're talking about editing, make sure you cut out all the and the and the silence. Make sure you get rid of all that stuff. Those things are wasting your viewers' time. Do not waste your viewers' time. If you're wasting someone's time, they're going to click out of that video like that. Cutting out the dead space and all the uhs and ums in your videos is going to increase your audience retention. I mean, come on. Look at TikTok, for example. Why do you think they're so successful? It's because everyone on those platforms are creating short form content 60 seconds or less, and they have to go boom, 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 make it real snappy. And snappy content makes success. Trust me, I know I've done it. You don't want to let people know that the video is about to end, because if you let people know that the video is about to end, they're going to click out of the video right there on the spot. So don't say, thanks for watching, or see you next time, anything like that, because they're gone. Because if you are giving these signals to your viewers, they are going to cut out quickly. No ifs, ands, or buts about it. They're gone. It doesn't matter if they are subscribers or if they are new to the channel. They're gone. Just saying. But if you're new to YouTube and you have not yet learned the things that you need to learn before you start your YouTube channel, make sure you check out this video because this is a lot of information crammed into one little video. Otherwise, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you need help with, and I'll try to make a video about that.